Hello viewers, let's get set alarm settings in Android phone in full detail and not to miss any important event against which you set the alarm. Alarm settings are almost the same in all Android phones. So first go and click clock in your mobile phone, and these are the previous alarm settings. Let me click plus sign, and now we will set a new alarm. This is R, so I can change it, and adjacent to it is minutes and AM PM. Now these are days, so let me Monday, Tuesday to Friday, Saturday, and if I click it again, so Saturday and Sunday would be excluded. Now click on alarm sound, it's satellite ringtone, so click on ringtone, and these are other ringtones if you would like to change it. And below to it, read time and gradually increase volume, which is rarely used many users. From here I can turn off or turn on the alarm sound. And now let's go click vibration. These are the vibration types: medium, short, or even silent. And from this button I can also turn off or turn on the vibration if the user don't like it with the mobile ringtone or voice. Now third option, snooze, click it, and 10 minute, 15, 30, and custom is also available for interval between alarms. And below is repetition 3 times, 5 times, or forever, or manual off of the alarm. 3 is better. Now click back and let me set the minutes. So to check the alarm that either it's correct, click save. 8:29 is set, and now let's wait. It's working. You have heard the sound, and now let's change the alarm setting or turn it off. So open the clock, and if I click inside the alarm, so I can change days, time, vibration, alarm sound, etc. or click back and turn this button off to turn off completely the alarm. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.